So I now declare the district level and the school athlete meet here at Lympung open. Thank you.
The athletes, I promise that we will take part in the district level inter-school athletic meet 2024, respecting and abiding by the rules and regulations which govern them, committing ourselves to a sport in the true spirit and sportsmanship for the glory of sports and honor of our district.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ka Lympung ilakai sport jong ki khna school balak tep kum ka district level inter school athletic meet arajar arsau jong ka Bhoi district ka Sdang ne ka sing khandai trek ujemang ha ka bau ba FL Pariat General Secretary Meghalaya State Olympic Association ula wan ban peli bat penhari kalama jong ka Lympung ka balak penyait da ka office jong district sport officer Bhoi district ya ka ne ka Lympung ilakai la penlang hamadan NSA Palms M bat ka ne ka Lympung la wan ban shimenta hadu lai potoli school ba per na Bhoi district ha ka ne ka singil idon langru da ba JL Langsti functional manager DCIC nongpo UDSO ka Bhoi district ba bobi nongbat ba RB sedap president ka Bhoi district sport association urang ba snong ka snong pamsem ba jedwen lingdo bat kiwe ka ne ka Lympung ilakai kan long lai singi kan thi haswaban penhari kalama ba FL Pariat ulai khoblei ya ka office UDSO ki balala ban penyai ya ka ne ka jing lakai sport ka balawan ni shimenta hadu lai potoli school bat ulakit bokir yang ru ya baro ki kana school ki balawan ban shimenta ka ne ka Lympung.
Kindly meet Kong reader immediately.
Come on, Titan! Team Quarter! Ready? Go!
The government under the leadership of Congress Sangma and in support of the Meghalaya State Olympic and also the Directorate of Sports has been doing a good job in the last 2 years in promoting sports. We have seen lots of programs by the sports department in collaboration with the MSA by conducting the EPP program, the SDPP program, how to nurture our young athletes to become national and then international. Bhoi is one of the district bars. We have seen lots of star athletes since 2000 who have been involved in athletics. We have good high jumpers, we have Kemlang Suba, we have Jonas Bagdo who have done a good job and only got a job also. Because after the sports now is no more just a game of to get health and physical fitness, but it is a source of income for all the sports persons. So I wish all the students to take the sport seriously because the government has come a program of giving even cash award for winning even at the Meghalaya Games. So many awards have been given by the government. There's also a new scholarship program that each athlete who have won at the zonal are getting 8,000 rupees per month for 1 year. So take this as a news for you to work hard, because if you're in school, we support you for your school to college level through this amount that you're getting. So as I think is the mother of all sports, it's not hard to practice. It's not like football which you have to do 11, 12. I think you need to individually. So as spoken before me, that there's no rocket science to become a good athlete. You have to work hard. So please work hard. The government is very much, any talent that we saw, the government is keen to promote them to become the star athlete and to be the star for the prestigious stage. The national game will be held here in 2027. So we hope that we can support some young athletes to become the national athlete at the national arena. I wish all athletes the very best and hope to see you at the state level in Shillong, and hope to see you take part, because from the state level, in collaboration with the Meghalaya Athletic and the Dietary Sport, we will be selecting athletes to participate at the national level.